Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have Papercraft Society Box number 3, and this is by Kathy Adronico. Not sure quite how to say that, but and I haven't done box 42 yet, so I realized that, but I thought I would do this one, some florals and this green, and I'm going to of her and the different projects. Very flowery. Okay. Ribbon, some green and pink pearly type stick-on dots, and coordinating a cardstock. Pink, so a little bit darker pink, like a really pale blue, and a pale purple. And then in here you can see the beautiful watercolor florals. Stamp set first. So there's this square sort of all over pattern, and then it says eat lots of cake and party, to you with love, celebrate, for your help, for all you do, sending hugs, and have an amazing day. That way you can make your own sentiments. And then this, I don't know if it coordinates off, and let's see if I can figure this out. Okay, so I would think it would, which is why there's no edge on this stamp. And maybe go with these are 3 layering stencils, so you have like your leaves and very minimal bits there, and then the main, let's put this behind here, main flowers there, and then the layering pieces on top of that. Yeah, it goes, I think it goes with this, with the stencil. So anyways, and then you can color in there or emboss that and use some inks and things and so forth. And then the papers, so you get this paper here, it's like one of each, some sentiments and some borders. I like that. And then there's this one, and that's the packaging. And then another leafy one, and then this is really pretty. And you could fussy cut these out if you wanted to. Sentiments, which is great. So you get a hello, a happy birthday, which has a frame, many thanks, which has a frame. So those are, you use those all the time. Hugs, I'm trying to read backwards here. Congrats, something, sending hugs, and I love you loads. So that's trying. I think. Anyways, okay. So let's see here. Okay, so that's what that stencil does. Do all the open spaces with this yellow. Okay, so that's what we have there. Okay, that's that. So I'll have to mark those, so I don't have to do that every time. I think it goes like this. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Check out the links below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today, and that is box number 43 if you're interested in checking that out. And hopefully I'll get to box number 42. Thanks so much. Have a great day.